Like and subscribe, and ring the bell to join us for more adventures.
Timo walks under the hot sun as the trail stretches far ahead. The heat grows stronger, and the journey feels longer. He feels tired but knows he must keep going. A new word becomes important: endure. Endure means to continue through something difficult. Timo takes steady, careful steps along the path. He keeps moving even as the heat presses down. He focuses on reaching the shade ahead. At last, he arrives under a cool tree. Timo remembers that to endure means to keep going through challenges, and strength helps him continue his journeys ahead.
For more cartoon stories and advanced English vocabulary, and to build the skills you need for exam success, visit vocabcartoons.com. Cartoons, quizzes, and games that help you learn fast. Start free.